Select all. Shortcut key is ctrl+a. Bold. Shortcut key is ctrl+b. Copy. Shortcut key is ctrl+c. Fill down. Shortcut key is ctrl+d. Ctrl+e to align the text center. Find. Shortcut key is ctrl+f. Go to. Shortcut key is ctrl+g. Ctrl+h to find and replace the data. Ctrl+I used for italic the text. Ctrl+j to justify the paragraph. Insert hyperlink. Shortcut key is ctrl+k. Ctrl+l to align the text left. Ctrl+m to indent a paragraph. Ctrl+n to create a new document. Open. Shortcut key is ctrl+o. Print. Shortcut key is ctrl+p. Ctrl+r to align the text right. Ctrl+s to save the document. Ctrl+t to create a hanging indent. Underline. Shortcut key is ctrl+u. Paste. Shortcut key is ctrl+v. Close. Shortcut key is ctrl+w. Cut. Shortcut key is ctrl+x. Repeat. Shortcut key is ctrl+y. Undo. Shortcut key is ctrl+z. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.